Happy
Happy New Year, everyone.
And in the new year, we've got a new tour coming up, which is...
Heading Belfast, is that the one you're talking
No,
about?
no, I'm talking about the new Cantankerous Soul.
Oh, sorry, no, that's right. Hadn't Belfast been thrown to the side. No, it's the Cantankerous Soul Gets.
Yeah.
We're actually going to put that forward. I think it should be popular.
I think plus as well, we've got the expertise in the room. I'm a Cantankerous Git, and this is the Lionel Messi of Cantankerous Soul.
Exactly, the professor of it.
I learn at your feet, sir.
Yeah, no, I accept that. Right. No, I look forward. I think we should get plenty of people on that there.
You made the point.
There's a lot of old cranky people in Belfast.
Well, there is.
Should have said that.
No, I think we should.
Sorry,
I always tell people in tours, whatever you're doing in Belfast, never ever ask a man from here how he is. You know why?
They'll always tell you.
They'll always tell you.
It's always negative too.
20 minutes of misery, you lose the will to live.
Exactly.
Let's hope you have a wonderful, happy new year, and we'll see you in the new year for some more Hidden Belfast of the Troubles Tour.
Okay.
Take care,
See you.
everyone. Bye.
Bye.